Hello students, so this is your lesson data handling. I am your teacher. So data handling we have studied in the previous class also about the very simple way, and the data the meaning itself is called as a given thing. So given means what given? Is it numerical given things or something records? What it is? So data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. So they are gathered to give some information. For example, if the marks sheet, if Anita scored a 50 for maths, then like this. So these are the numbers gathered to give some information, means it is giving the marks, about marks the information it is giving. So such kinds we can call as a data. And in this pictograph we can also denote the datas by the pictograph. The datas also by the pictograph also we can denote. The meaning is pictograph means by the pictures we can locate any pictures. The pictures also gives the some information. For example, if one box represented 100, so like that it gives the information also. The definition: a pictograph represents data through pictures of objects. It helps answer the questions on the data at the glance. So now we can go to the examples only. For that you can understand what the data handling exactly is. In that pictograph also we can learn about the graphs. See, it is called as a bar graph. So we are locating the information for the graphs as bar graph, pie graph. Pie graph means in the circle. In the circle shape it is called as a pie graph. And the Cartesian system means dots, by the locating the coordinate systems. So those are the types of graphs in the data handling. So here I'll go for the exercise 9.1. In a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. See, this 40 is nothing but the number. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. See, tally marks is nothing but previous, in the ancient times, what they did. So there were no number of countings. Counting numbers were not there. At that time, what they was doing, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one for the lines they were counting. So these are called as a tally marks. Okay, for how it is related to this one, because how many times it is repeated. Okay, for example 8, if you are taken example 8 how many times it is here? 1. In this again second line, no, third line, here it is second, one more here, one more here, and here only. So 8 is tally marks. So how many are there now? These are 4, like that. So this is how you have to locate the tally marks and number of repetition. So here, so these are the marks obtained: 1, 2, 3, 4. So means first student 8, second 1, third student 3, fourth student 7 marks, fifth student 6 marks they got. Like that 40th student got 6 marks. So 1 marks how many students got. Like that we have to write it. So here are the tally marks 1. Okay, 1 marks how many students? 1. So 1 repetition. Again in a second line here, second repetition. So again only. So how many are there? 2. Again for the 2 how many are there? Here 1, in second line 1, in a third line 1, fourth line no. So it is number 3. Like that. So these are the tally marks. So this is how the tally marks are obtained. So fourth after you can put the cross for each. For example 4 if you are checking, in the first line 2 are there, so 2 tally marks. In the second, here one, third one, and here one more. Again here is there, so fourth one after fifth one cross it, and so we can take the, it is a one bundle of tally. Then here 2 are there, so second, so total 5 and 2, how much? Total 7. So 7 are the number of students. So like that if you mark it. So at that time the questions are there again. Find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. Equal to 7 and more than 7. So more than 7 are 8, 9, isn't it? So how many are there? From here you can observe. So equal means from the 7 we can count it. Okay. So how many are there? 5 plus 4 plus 3. Total 12. So 12 students are equal to 7 and more than 7 marks they got. How many students obtain marks below 4? Below 4 means not equal to 4. So only 3 to 1. So how many are there? 3 plus 2, it is 8 students. So this is how the tally marks obtained. Then the question number 2. So second question here, the following is the choice of sweets of 30 students of class 6. So laddu, barfi, laddu, jalebi, like this. So that means is first students choose a laddu, second barfi, third one laddu, like that. So if this is the case, we cannot count how many are there. So what is we have to do is, first we can write laddu. What are the sweets we can list out first? Barfi is there, again jalebi is there, okay, again rasgulla is there, again only this much. So jalebi how many times is there? Count like this. So we can put the tally marks first here, again here, cross it, again one more. So how many are there? 6. So like that if you made the list means you can easily understand how many are there. So first by this tally marks we can count it. So tally, laddu are 11, barfi are 3, jalebi are 7, rasgulla are 9. So total 30 students. So first question is, arrange the names of sweets in the table using the tally marks. Yes, we did. Which sweet is preferred by most of the students? So which is the highest is there? Laddu. So laddu, because 11 students prefer to eat. Then question number 3. Catherine threw a dice 40 times and noted the number appear each time as shown below. So make a table and enter the data using tally marks. Find the number that appeared. So 1 how many times, 2 how many times, 3 how many times. So dice has only up to 6. You know the dice means like this. So it may be the like a box, and here 1, 2, 3 like this numbers were there. So or dotted in the form of dot they may have. So in that 40 times, first time 1 it got, second time 3, third time 5, like that. So 1 how many times repeated? 7 times. 2 6 times. 3 5 times, like that. We can make a list. Now the question, the minimum number of times. So which is the less here? 4. So 4 is a which number? So 4 itself is has a 4 times. So here minimum number of times is repeated on the dice is 4 we got. The maximum number of times, so 11 times repetition is fifth one, so 5 we got. Find those numbers that appears an equal number of times. Equal number of times means which is the equal numbers are there here? 7 times 7 times, so 1 and 6 I think. Yes, so 1 and 6 are the repetitions. Then fourth one, following pictograph shows the number of tractors in 5 villages. So here pictograph, see, this is called as a pictograph, what I said. So one tractor is equal to one tractor, keep it in mind. So sometimes they may tell one tractor represents 5 means, so 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 means, so 10, 10, 10, so 30. So 30 tractors we can count it like that. Okay. Then observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. Which village has a minimum number of tractors? So which minimum means, so lesser here, see, very short. Which village it is? Village D, like that. Okay. Then which village has the maximum number of tractors? So this much is there here, maximum you can easily understand, which is that C, so C. Then how many more tractors village C has? More as compared to B. So as compared to B, how many extra they had? 2. So 2, because it has a 5, it has 3. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, like that. Then what is the total number of tractors in the 5 villages total? So count it all. How we can count it, or else you can do it like this. So here 6 are there, 5 are there, here 8 are there, 3 are there, here 6 are there. So total number 28, like that. Okay. So here comes the thing. The number of girl student in each class of a co-educational middle school is depicted by the pictograph. See here, the number of girls students. So here one girl represents 4 girl citizens. So we can first write as how much? See here, 4 plus 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So add all 4s. How many times are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 6 are 24. So 24 girls are there in a class first. So like that it is. Keep it in mind. So here half is there. That means 2. So 4 half means 2 it is. So that's why it is a half it represents. So we can 4, 4, 4, 4 and 2. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So it is a 18, like that. So here also 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So 4 5s are 20. Then here also half is there, it represents 2. So it is 4, 4, 4, 2. So 12 plus 2, 14, like that. Okay, this is how you can understand. So now, which class has the minimum number of girls? So minimum means shorter, isn't it? So which class it is? 8th. So 8th has a 6, only 6, because it is half 2, it is 4. Then is the number of girls in a class 6 less than the number of girls in 5? So 6 is less or more? Yes, more it is, not less, more it is. How much? So no it is. How many girls are there in a 7th? How many girls are there? 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. So 12 girls are there, like that. Then 6th one, the sale of the electric bulbs on different days of week is shown below. So here one bulb represents 2 bulbs. That means just now I said 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 into 6, 12 bulbs, like that. Now go for the question. How many bulbs were there sold on a Friday? So Friday sold. How much? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. So 2 into 7. How much? 14. So 14 they sold. Then on which day were the maximum number of bulbs sold? So maximum means highest bulb is here. So on Sunday. Then on which of the days same number of bulbs were sold? Same numbers from where we can got here. Yes. See this one and this one. So Wednesday and Saturday. On which of the days minimum number of bulbs sold? Yes. Minimum number is also Wednesday and Saturday. If one big curtain can hold 9 bulbs, how many curtains were needed in the given week? So we can, the total number of bulbs sold in the total is 86. So 9 means divided by 9 total. So if it is nearly, it is 9 ones are 9, 9s are 81. So but it has a 5 remainder. So you can take as a next number nearly 10 bags. Okay. And the 7th one, in a village 6 fruit merchants sold the following number of fruit baskets in the particular season. So Rahim, Lakanpal, Anwar, Martin, Ranjit Singh and Joseph. So here one fruit basket is equal to 100. That means 100 into how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 are there means 400. So because 400 times we cannot draw the fruit basket, no, that's why it is for the easiest way. So in the same way, go for the question, which merchant sold the maximum number of basket? Maximum means here. So here half means 50 we can take. So which merchant it is? Martin. Then how many fruit baskets were sold by Anwar? So Anwar is 100 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means 700. Then the merchant who have sold 600 or more number of baskets are planning to buy a cordon for the next season. Can you name them? So Anwar, Martin, Ranjit Singh. So they have a more about 600 because 6 is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 here means like this. So who are there? So it is not related, half it is. So that's why Anwar, Martin, Ranjit Singh. So now go for the 9.2 exercise. So here reverse process. Before the exercise in 9.1, they are given in a description way. We have made the tabular column, but here they given the tabular and we have answered the questions. But here they'll give information, according to that we have to draw and answer the questions here. So total number of animals in 5 villages as. See numbers they are given. Then prepare a pictograph of the animals using the symbol this one. So to represent 10 animals and answer the following. So this one symbol is equal to 10 animals we have to represent, it seems. So that means if village 80 is there means 8 figures we can show it. Okay, like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. So it represents 80 animals like that. So how we have made like this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. So 120 means 12, 90 means 9, 40 means 4, 60 means 6. So now the question, how many symbols represents animals of village E? How many symbols? 1 2 3 4 5 6 symbols we can draw. Then which village has the maximum number of animals? See by the picture only, village B. Which village has more animals? Village A or village C? Only compare village A and village C, which is, so one village C has more, 20. Then go for the second question. Total number of students of school different years is shown in the following table. In 1996, number of students were 400, 1998 535, like that the number of students they are given. Prepare the pictograph of the students using the symbol to represent 100 students. So one symbol is equal to 100. How many symbols represents two, like that? So here 400 is there, means we can draw the 4 pictures like this. Okay. So in the same way we can take it as a half of also. So it is 100 students means 400, it is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 535, like that. Okay. Then question, how many symbols represents total number of students in the year 2002? 2002, how many symbols? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 are. Then how many symbols represents the total number of students in the year 1998? 1998, how many symbols? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 completed and 1 half, 1 incomplete. Then prepare the another pictograph of student using any other symbol, each represent 50. So which pictograph do you find more informative? So we can take the another by the triangle 50. So 50 means 50 50 50, like that. So prepare pictograph B is more informative than A, we can tell. Okay. Then so this is about the data handling of a first exercise and second exercise. So next we can go for the in the next class. So thank you.